Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change phone's name on the following device. So at the very beginning, from your home screen, you have to select the settings, then go to your devices, so here it is, it's my name, and then click on name, phone numbers and email, it's the first tab. And here under name you can personalize your name, so you can change the first, middle and last name. So simply by tapping and deleting the current one, you can enter a new one. Then you can also add a middle name. And let me change last to Hard. And once you've done, click on Done to save the changes. And that's it. As you can see, here's your new name. You will be also able to see the change here. And that would be all, so you can change your device's name. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.